Greetings, my name is Ravindra Kabbur. I work with Birlasoft as a senior solution architect in the Infor Practice. Today I am going to speak about Atlas. Atlas is an automated testing tool released by Birlasoft for regular testing of new fixes and new features which are added to the Infor CloudSuite solution. Each change, either a fix or an enhancement, must be configured or reconfigured and tested prior to applying in the production environment. This brings many challenges for the customers. First, testing coverage and test scenarios need to be identified and planned for end-to-end testing. Hence, there is a need for quick, efficient way of deciding the way forward. Second, customers may times struggle with insufficient or no test scenarios for simulations and testing of the business processes. Third, Infor customers need to ensure the testing of impacted business processes is conducted by relevant functional and technical teams. So here they need the right domain knowledge. As well, the customers often face inadequate domain knowledge to execute the testing process. There is always a dependency on the core business users to test the business scenarios due to the impact of the released solutions. Lack of availability of all key business resources at a single point of time with the deployment window is another big challenge, which results in hiring contractors or full-time resources or testers and thereby incurring additional cost.